Can you solve this equation within the next 6 seconds? Please comment down below which answer did you get. Did you get 2 or a different number? Now, to calculate this type of equation, we need to remember PEMDAS, where P stands for parentheses and it needs to be done in the first place. E stands for exponents, should be done in the second. Then we have multiplication and division, which needs to be done in the third place, and they needs to be done from left to right. And we have addition and subtraction, which needs to be done in the fourth place. In this case, we don't have the parentheses and the exponents, but we have multiplication. To be able to easier solve this type of equation is to always use to add brackets. So because we added brackets, now we know that we need to do multiplication in the first place. So what we get, we have 10 minus 100. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100 plus 10 over 5 minus 25 plus 5. And here we get minus 100 plus 20 is minus 80. And we have minus 25 plus 10 is minus 15. Minus with minus, it's plus. And here we simplify by 5. So what we get, it's 16 over 3. And what we get is 5 1/3. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Ciao, ciao.